constant flow both fucking ways. It is annoying as fuck, man. You are a fucking legend. Right, now all you little fuckers who didn't let me out are gonna get smoked. It's gonna fucking roll you up and smoke every one of you. If I was a little bit younger, I would have gone straight down the middle there. Because I am going down. Wish you luck, boys. I wish you luck. Oh. Right. Retard. What are you doing cutting people up like that? Just like I just did. What are you doing, bruv? You getting over? Not? No? Get away from you. It is not warm. It's actually quite cold. It is quite overcast today. They did say it was going to be sunny, but it's really not sunny at all. It's 75. I wonder how much you can actually hear of my voice when I'm doing 80 miles an hour on the motorway. The wind blast is absolutely insane, as you would expect. My old camera simply wouldn't be able to do anything with this audio. I don't even know if the camera itself is capturing good enough footage, because its stability feature is not as advanced as a forward-facing camera, because it has to take into account 360 degrees instead of just facing forward. So yeah, it's a little bit different. Alright, a beautiful scenery here. I don't even know what the speed limit is on this road. I think it's 70. It looks like it's 70 road. let's get in that lane, because I think Bolney is coming up. Yes, it is. Wow. We are almost there. Fan-doobly-tastic. And yes, sir. Because you don't want him to be hearing you revving the absolute tits off of a bike just before you bring it in. Act sensible, at least. Hi Yvonne.